Welcome back to another video, and I'm going to show you how we built this modern entryway table for just under 80 bucks. So if you're new, subscribe, hit the like button, and let's get right into it. Alright, we're going to get this project started off with one 2x10. We're going to cut it down rough cuts to get this tabletop planed down on the planer so we can get it ready to biscuit joint. We have our boards marked. We're going to put 3 biscuits into this thing. So what you want to do is you want to mark on both boards to where you can put the biscuit joints on both ends at the same exact location. So these boards lock into place. They are exactly where they need to be. Alright, you can see here we're being very generous with wood glue. We're going to wood glue these, put the biscuits in, get these locked in with some clamps, and let this sit for 24 hours. And we'll move on to the legs by stripping down some 2x4s just to knock the rounded edges off of them. Alright, we decided to join these together with pocket holes for the legs. You can see we started assembling them. We have them at exactly 34.5 inches in height. Plus the tabletop would give us a 36-inch overall height, which is what we were going for. Alright, now that we got these things touched up with the sander, we're going to use some Rust-Oleum satin black paint to get the legs painted, just to give them a nice even finish. Then we can move on to the tabletop and get it unclamped.
Have you heard the new song from More Plastic? Well, here goes.
Alright, now we'll go ahead and get the ends marked. That way we can get this thing cut down to our desired size. I figured it'd be a good time to go ahead and tell you. If you're not already doing so, go give us a follow on Instagram. We do post a lot on there recently. Sneak peeks of upcoming videos or what we're working on that maybe the video isn't out yet. Also, we are available on TikTok if you want to check us out there too. Now that we have the top sanded, stained, and finished, while we're letting it dry, I'm going to go ahead and move to these pegs for the bottoms of the legs. This is just so if there is any unlevelness to the floor in the house, we can adjust them. Alright, we're going to go ahead and move to getting these legs mounted to the tabletop. We're going to use some 2.5-inch wood screws here, pre-drilling the holes first. And that's going to wrap it up for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please consider hitting the subscribe button and giving us a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments what you like or what you may want to see next. Enjoy these after shots. Thanks for tuning in.